This is Rajosree and you're welcome in our YouTube channel Abilita Academy. So today we will learn something very unique and very creative. But before starting with this session today, with this tutorials today, I will now introduce myself and our channel. So our channel is gonna be focusing on only about not only on animation, also about other few features, other few skill developing things, other few courses which we're gonna just add in our academy very soon. So that's why this YouTube channel is for, so that whoever couldn't join either by online or offline, they could have some profits from some advantages from our YouTube channel, and so that we can also feel motivated and enjoy our work as well. So if you don't know what is Abilita Academy, so this is an academy which focuses on not only on animation, also on many other skill developing things like graphic design, video editing, VFX, musical thing, dance, modeling, and cooking, and artistic thing, digital arts, fine arts, traditional modern art, or like vocal classes, and on many more things about. So very soon we're gonna expand this platform by doing marketing and all. But for now we are on soft platform and haven't launched it officially. So that's why here we are in this YouTube channel only. So this is Rajosree, one of the members of the team of Abilita, and initially I'm just continuously going to do the few classes, and very soon a few other teachers will be also here in our YouTube channel's video tutorials with different topics with different language maybe. So stay tuned with us. If you are not even interested in animation, if you're interested in other things as well, you can have those all tutorials in our class too. So today we'll learn how to create visual effects through animation software, which is Autodesk Maya. Initially, we will focus on Autodesk Maya. Later on, we will also focus on other few softwares like Blender, Unity, and many more. So today we'll learn how to create 3D Fire by using some features of special effects or of effects department of Autodesk Maya, and that will take just few minutes, not that long time. So if you're in even rush, try to hold on your patience till the end, because it's gonna just make you feel worth. And I hope I will be able to give you the proper class today. So let's start. And if you're interested in joining officially with us, I will attach all the ways how you can do very soon. But for now, we are working on all of the sides, all of the what can I say, departmental, the like documental and vegan aspects with other few members. So that's why it's taking some time, and very soon you're gonna have the chance if you're really interested in to join with us officially and want to have certificate, want to have a job from us, want to have extra some features as bonus courses, as some scholarships from us. Those all will be available in our academy. So stay tuned and be blessed with us. Keep safe. So let's start. I'm gonna start from the scratch. So here you can see nothing is here. It's just an empty workspace with a normal grid here. So what we have to do, initially this one will be with this drop-down box will be always on modeling, and this is how it will look. Actually I did some work before, so that's why it's looking like this. So make sure the box will be changed by choosing FX, and then when you will be done with choosing the FX option, you can see some changes will be happened with the menu bar. And for now, nailed every other options. Go for fluids, and then from the fluids box, where you can see create, under create, you can see lots more thing. So we will focus onto this all later, but today the topic is creating fire. So we will click on the 3D containers none box, and when you will click into the none box, you will get this customized box. Make sure it's reset by following edit and reset settings, and you can give some name if you want. I will give it fire emitter name, and make sure you will choose emitter type from omni to volume, and other thing doesn't need to just change. You can click apply and close. So now you can see a huge box, transparent box inside another box and inside of the another wheel. So those are all attached, and this is the engine from where the fire will be originated. So I will click move tool to move it a little up. Okay, okay, so better. And yeah, now the task is gonna begin. So you can see the food box is already here in our workspace, and it's also available in the outline box. I will click on the attribute editor, and now you can see fluid shape and okay, I will click the outside actually. Okay, so fluid shape 4. So sorry for taking some time. I was thinking what happened with me because yeah, I was confused for a while. So you can see in the container properties, its base resolution is 10. So first of all, we have to increase it. So so that we can see the clear fire, because the value is too low for now. So I will give some 90 to 100 around value. Let's see by giving 90 first. And once you will be done with the base resolution, giving value number like actually, need to focus on contents method. Density and velocity is dynamic grade. So don't touch both of these and other options as well. Focus on the temperature. I will change temperature from off 0 to dynamic grade, and same for fuel as well. Now we can see density, velocity, temperature, fuel all are on dynamic grade, which is important to set the fire. Oh, okay, so display, no need to touch. Now auto resize, focus on the auto resize option, and now I will click into the auto resize. You may think like after this, what's next? You don't need to touch the other options, those are perfect for this time file. And now we will focus on contents details and density. Yeah, density. For now, make sure dissipation is 0, 0, 0. Just make the noise something around uh, 0.1. Yeah. And next, velocity. So in the velocity box, so everything looks perfect. Just need to change the sword. I will give 3 so that the fire will be looking like really fiery. And next, turbulence. Turbulence, yeah, we need to give some value like 0.05. It's not like we don't need this much because it's like, you know, we don't need to be there with all. Like actually, yeah, I'm sorry. Turbulence, here we have to focus on strength and speed, not the frequency. Actually, frequency is better because strength is 0 here. So how the strength will be visible in our playing file. So what we have to do, we have to just add strength 0.05, and speed, we will decrease the speed a little by 0.1. Make sure turbulence don't make the stupid mistake like me. No, don't touch the frequency because it's quite good. You can increase but don't decrease because it's already that not high. And yeah, strength should be a little increased because with 0 strength it won't be working. And now it's time to touch the temperature. So here in the temperature we will focus on noise and dissipation surely. So here in the dissipation we have to give quite bigger value, 0.5. And here in the noise again same value, 0.5. So all things look, all of this looking really great. Now we need to do a little work with like another box, which is like file here, which it can become also with the name fluid emitter sometimes, but in my case it's coming with file 2. So never mind. So just go into this option, either it's come with the name file 2 or fluid emitter. Go for and check for fluid attributes. Inside of the fluid attributes, you will get an option drop in the drop in the bottom, fluid drop off. You can see the default one is 2. We will decrease it to unto 0 because it's important. Get back again, fluid shape 4. Now we will need shading, color. Yes, color. So the color we have to select. But before that, make sure you have checked your fire. Okay, so it's looking like smoke. Okay, so what we will do first, we will increase the frame. Okay, so the frame is full, animation will be, let's zoom it a little bit. Let's play it again so we can see. Okay, it's automatically posing. You can see quite good smoke, but the task is not done yet. It's coming into white because you can see the color is selected, color is white, so it's looking like smoke and fire. So we have to do work by changing the color from here, from shading, and then by choosing color option. So what I will do, I will select some color from here. So you can see as soon as I have selected a color, the color of the like smoke, which was a few seconds back white, started to look like a fire, original fire. But still, I think I need to do a little setup. So for that, I will just pause it a little. Okay, no more. Now let's have a look first. So it's, we need to do a little change for the smoke. It's looking not like a smoke effect, it's looking like a holy color. So I will do pause this one. Let's select any other color. Okay, what about this one? Hit OK. Done. Okay, let's see again. A little bit like this. And yeah, we need to do. Okay, I will do some changes with the incandescent sin or what? It's so tough. I'm sorry if I'm just pronouncing it like wrong. Who who else gave this kind of tough name? Yeah, incandescent. Oh my god. Uh, I'm sorry. I gave up. So nailed it. Anyway, I'm an animator. I'm not a teacher of like perfect word speaker. So I'm sorry for that. I'm just quitting from this job of spelling proper word. Even though I believe in proper spelling, but this time I also gave up. What is this? Incandescent. Scene? Yeah, scene maybe. Yeah, incandescent. So let me know if you think I have pronounced it wrong and you got the idea how to pronounce it. Okay. So yeah, I think I will do the black side little more and this one little like this. Yeah, it's also okay like this. So you can see when I'm moving from this area, it's also impacting the output of the file. So I think close to the orange or yellow one of orange, it's looking more like a real fire than cartoonish fire. I will make the smoke like this. Okay, it's looking good. And one more thing, let's see if we can do some change. Okay. So if I do work with the opacity, it's also impacting the fire. What do you think about this? No problem. Actually, it's looking nice. What about the lightning and many more things? So it's not actually going to impact that much. Today's class was about like how to create fire, not the advance of how to make everything. So if you want to know in advanced way, you have to join definitely. I can't just upload every single thing in YouTube tutorials, but yeah, I can update and upload main featureable and trendy topics. But for A to Z knowledge, to have A to Z everything, you have to join with us. And yeah, this is how. Well, you can see I'm doing marketing. Actually, yeah, I'm doing, and this is how every single academy works. So I'm just changing the color a little bit and towards a little darker. Now it's looking like close to real fire, don't you think so? I think so at least. And now I'm hitting OK. Let's see by playing it from the first, from the final mode. Hola. Okay, it's looking nice. At least I'm quite satisfied. And you can see inside of this like engine box, we can see fire is just starting and like the look of fire could be changed like depending on what value you will give and what selection you will choose. As per this value, whatever I have given, the fire is looking like this. If you make change with the options, with the settings, definitely it will be different for sure. So sorry for that, for in the phone I forgot to make it silent, so sorry. I apologize for that. So let's just finish the class here. I hope you enjoyed today's class, and if you have any confusion, any question, any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. If you're liking the class, if you're liking the video, just don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any suggestion, anything like want to suggest us, definitely we are welcome with your suggestion. And thank you so much in the end for watching till the end. And now I wanna just end this video here. So bye bye guys. See you there in my next video. In our next video in Abilita Academy YouTube channel. So let's join. If you're liking our classes, so don't forget to subscribe so the family will grow around. Now it's too small, and I like big families. So join. So let's join with us. So thank you so much. Bye there. Bye guys. Signing off this video. See you there.